Privatization is transferring of ownership from the government to the private sector. Recently, government has decided to privatize four public sector banks, that is Bank of India, Bank of Maharashtra, Indian Overseas Bank and the Central Bank of India. What is reason behind this privatization? The main reason is the NPA, that is non-performing asset, which is occurring a lot in the public sector banks. Government is saying that they are investing a lot of money, they are infusing a lot of money in these banks. They said that in 2018 they have infused 80,000 crore rupees, whereas in 2019 they have infused 70,000 crore rupees, but still they are not getting any benefit as they are expected, and the financial position of the banks are also not improving. So the government is going for the privatization. As per the data, if we see that RBI's financial stability report, in which RBI has said that till September 2020, the NPA was 7.5%, and for the upcoming year, it is going to be increasing till 13.5%. If we talk about the market shares of the private banks has been increased from 21% to 36%. That means that people are trying to take the loan more from the private sector banks. Whereas if we see the market share of the public sector bank, it has reduced to 60% from 74%. If we talk about the market capitalization, in market capitalization, SGFC is having the market capitalization of 8.8 lakhs, whereas the SBI is having the market capitalization of 3.50 lakhs. So can we say that the private sector are doing a very good job? In terms of market share, in terms of market capitalization, they are doing a very well job. But there is some issues regarding the governance in the private sector bank. For example, if I take the Lakshmi Vilas Bank, due to its operational issues, it has been merged with the DBS Bank of Singapore. And many private sector bank has not yet provided the proper data regarding the non-performing assets to the RBI. So conclusively, I would like to say here that government is privatizing these banks, in which RBI is going to play an important role. So I think RBI must keep watch on the private sector banks, so that the problem which is occurring regarding the governance must be avoided. There are certain merits also for due to this privatization. The political interference will get reduced, as well as mainly there will be an improvement in the efficiency, because private sector banks mainly focuses on the profit, but they don't care about the public interest, which is going to be somewhere this is one of the disadvantage we can say. And if in future the recession occurs, sometime the recession occurs, and there will be lots of jobs will be lost due to this privatization process.